right, so people who come out here, what do they want to do and what do they do?
So what they want to do is kind of just reconnect with nature, be one with nature, go out on our miles of trails here. Also, we have tons of free programming that's appropriate for families and people of all ages. And it's really just a nice, quiet, serene place to kind of go on a walk, see some birds, go on our boardwalk, go see some programming, and go check out some of our live animals that we have on exhibit that highlights some of the native wildlife that we have here in Illinois and in